Hi, Mr. X with glossary term root for a number. We can take different powers of roots, different orders of roots. The second root is called a square root. The third root is called a cube root. And then we can take a fourth root, a fifth root, any number root we want. And it doesn't have to be an integer. But if it is an integer valued root, then what we're talking about is that number times itself, that integer number of times, will get us back to the given number. For example, the fifth root of 32 equals 2, because 2 to the fifth power is 32. And what that means is 2 times itself 5 times. Sure. We would also write it this way. The fifth root of 32 equals 2. Now what is the fifth root of, I don't know, 33? Well, it's a little more than 2. I don't know how much more off the top of my head, but I know because the fifth root of 32 is 2, then the fifth root of 33 should be just a little bit more than 2. Well, let's see what Wolfram Alpha gives us. If we type in fifth root of 32 and hit equals, what's it going to tell us? I bet it tells us 2. It does. Of course, we do this on a handheld calculator or anything else, but it's much easier for me to share the internet with you than a handheld calculator. So there's our fifth root of 32. Yes, 2 to the fifth is 32. What's the fifth root of 33? The fifth root of 33. That didn't take long. It's a little more than 2 1/100th. It's just a little bit more than 2 1/100th. Well, there you go. This would be an irrational number, but it would sit on a number line, and it would sit on a number line between 2.012 and 2.013. It would sit on a number line between 2.0123466 and 2.0123467. It would sit on a number line between, this is a real number now, this real irrational number, fifth root of 33, it would sit on a number line between 2.012346617085558324778562995524666 and 2.0123466170855583247785608629955524667. If I got that right. Enjoy hundreds of lessons in the language of math at MrXMath.com.